Hi, I'm Eric with MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut, and we are on a 2026 Sea Ray 270 sun deck. This is the outboard version. This one's powered by the Mercury 300 V8. On the stern, we've got this really nice lounge setup for laying out if you're backed up to a sandbar, just hanging out on the anchor. This is a great place to lay out. This piece actually flips forward, gives you a nice headrest. Back here, we've got a freshwater washdown. We've got our stereo controls, USB port cup holders. Underneath here, this is our battery tray, our battery charger, and access to your battery switches. One really nice setup about this boat is the access that you have on the swim platform. Fully covered in a beautiful sea deck that wraps up on the sides, and just the pass-through area. Having the outboard, it's no big deal on the swim platform. We've got a swim ladder back here, freshwater input, courtesy lights throughout. We've got a nice storage area here if you wanted to fill this with ice and plug it in, use it as a cooler, or just keep it as a storage area. As we step down, you can see the speakers for the Fusion stereo system. And right here, we've got a nice L-shaped seating with additional seating on the side. Very comfortable seating. You can bring the whole family, friends. This 270 SD has room for as many people as you can fit on board as long as they have a life preserver. One really unique feature about this boat, and you'll see that on either side of the seats, is they've actually cut out a piece of the seating to make room for basically a catch-all area here. So you've got cup holders, you've got induction chargers, you've got USB ports, and the benefit of this is you actually don't have to do a lot of cleaning between the seats. So it was really nice design feature that they did here on the updated Sea Ray SD line. At the back, we've got access to the bilge. This is a huge area, really nice, easy, clean access for all of your mechanical systems. And then underneath each of the seating areas is storage. Really deep storage for all your canvas, your ski toys, a couple of other things that you want to throw in there, your safety kit. This is a really nice, easy, accessible storage, very large volume. This boat does come with a cockpit table, which mounts back here. There's actually two teak tables that come with this boat, one for the cockpit and one up for the bow. Another deep, large storage area here midship. And as we go forward, both seats are reversible. So if you wanted to extend your seating to the cockpit area, you can pull the backrest forward at the helm seat to make more room for back here entertaining. At the helm, we do have two 9-inch Simrad screens. This has the digital throttle and shift with active trim for the Mercury 300 V8. And this boat does come equipped with Lenco trim tabs. On the passenger side, we've got glove box and access to our Fusion radio head unit. The head itself is a really nice design. So instead of having a center walkthrough, it's shifted over to the port side a little bit, which gives us a really nice depth for the head area down here. You can see that there's a top piece that slides back. Really nice depth to this. It almost takes up the center line of the hull. So even someone, myself, 6 feet tall, gives a lot of good headroom, and there's a sink in that area as well as a pump out head. And when you close this up, this just slides closed, and now it's completely enclosed. We've got dedicated storage on the port side for our teak bow and cockpit tables, as well as a wind dam, which opens up, closes across, and our windshield closes to seal that off so we keep our passengers out of wind. Up at the bow, this boat comes with the insert for the bow sun pad. So this makes it a really large sun lounging area. Great for those days with a nice breeze, a little bit of sun, really comfortable place to lay out. And if you don't have that inserted, this piece pops out. And now we've got space for our bow cockpit table and nice seating for 5-6 people up front. Another benefit of having the off-center walkway is you can fit 2 people comfortably in front of the helm. So one person sitting, one person extended out. Just a really comfortable bow space on a 27-foot boat. You'll notice up at the bow, We've got sea deck up front on top of our anchor windlass. And a neat feature about this is even though it does have the power anchor windlass, we also have a bow ladder that kicks off to the side with a freshwater spray down. So if you do go bow up to the beach, you want to drop the ladder down, you're coming back aboard, easy to use the freshwater spray down to wash off your feet, wash off the anchor. Just really nice, thoughtful placement by Sea Ray. Also, we've got all our cup holders, catch-alls, USB, everything that you need up front to have a really good time. Everything packed in the cockpit. This boat is ready to go. Have fun entertaining out on the water. It also has a power tower with bimini top and ski tow arch, so it's really set up for any type of entertaining that you could think of out on the water. Come on down to MarineMax Westbrook. Love to show you this boat.